Hello, this is Dan Faschingbauer from Video Pizzazz, and today I'm going to show you how to save and restore a video editing session using Create. Alright, so let's say I made a bunch of edits to this video here and I want to save it and come back later to finish it up. I would just come up here and click on the double arrow thing here and then go to the right side area over here, and there's a little slider here. Sometimes this doesn't slide real nicely, so just come down underneath it and click. So in here, give your project a name. I'll just call this Dan Test. In the Export Project File section here, click on Export Template. Now you can save these files any place you want. I just decided that I was going to create a folder called Create by Vidello under my video section of my computer. So if I click on this PC, I have a videos folder. If I click on that, and I got another folder called Create by Vidello. So I can put it in there. Now you'll see here the file name is called project.zip. Now to me it's not a bug, but I would code this differently. I mean, since you put the project name here, I would think that that would fill in the same right here, but it didn't. So I am just going to call this Dan Test.zip and click on Save. And then it says exporting the project file. Alright, so if I bring up my File Explorer here and go to this PC again, and then click on Videos and click on Create by Vidello, I now have a folder in there called dantest.zip. This should be my saved edits from my video now. So let's say I just want to exit out of this now. It says unsaved data will be lost. That's fine, because I'm going to just show you how to restore the saved data I just created. So click on Yes. Alright, so if you want to restore that saved video data, before you bring up the editor, you can just come here and click on Import Template. So click on that, and then it might not bring you up into the area that you want. You might have to go to this PC, videos, find your video file, but in this case it brought me up into my videos, Create by Vidello. Here's my Dan Test.zip file. So I'll select that, click on Open. So now the file shows up over here, so I can click on Dan Test, and that read in the edited information and opened up the Create Editor software for me. Alright, so that's how you would save and restore an edited copy of your video. Now one more thing, if I click here to get out of this and I scroll down over here, now if I'm no longer going to be using that, I can just click on the X here. It says, do you want to delete that? I can click on Yes, and now it's gone. Alright, so I hope you found that useful, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.